All right, we got an exhaust, everything's put together, it's time to start it. So, we're all hearing this for the first time, so if it sounds awesome, it's gonna be awesome for all of us together. If it sounds terrible, it's all Corey's fault. Let's see what we got. There's that starter.
I ain't changing it.
Huh?
I ain't changing that.
I'm not either. I'll burn the fucking truck. You know what that is? That's
What's
still
up?
the ground between the engine and the fucking frame. Where's our pair of jumper cables? I think it's that positive terminal on the starter. We can put the old starter back. I got it up in French.
I'm saying, try to turn the engine.
Yeah, I think that's what I had to do last time.
Take a turn.
Not really.
That's way quieter than I was expecting. I still got a little pop to it.
Well, give it a minute. Time to take the plug out of this. And let it go back to its life as it should be. said it couldn't come back from that one. Probably. It's trying like hell to figure its AFR out.
I took the cap off and put it back like it's supposed to be. It's hot.
Yeah, it's back to the correct now. So it's going to take it a minute to figure out correct again. Yeah, they're an asshole to get to work, but once they start working. Look here, dickhead.
It says, I don't want to work anymore. We're going home. You got sparkings over here.
Sweet.
So just take
Where's that? From the wire?
wherever the starter is. Like all I can see is blinking.
All right, well you come here.
I think we should just.
It's a loose connection, so let's at least see where it's at. Yeah, it's the terminal for it.
It's bad.
It's arcing between the wire and the starter.
It's broke.
That's fine. I'll bring the old starter back up since we know the starter wasn't the problem. The flywheel was.
Yeah.
So that's fine. I'll do that tomorrow. So let's put the old starter back in it. Throw that one at the people in Advance's faces, and then do this trick. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's fine. Actually, I'm gonna put the battery charger back on it. Yeah, it's as long as you're not bending the starter, it's fine.
I just don't want it to set the shop on fire.
Oh, it won't. It ain't even remotely that. And above and beyond that, we've had the same problem for 2 weeks now, and ain't nothing got hurt. Alright, 15 amp standard battery. Hopefully I'm still a couple of 6 volts, 20% in the jar. It sounds really good though.
Sort of.
I mean, as far as just the overall note. 82%, I like it. Just the overall note that it's playing, it sounds good. Obviously, the missing and the popping and all the things, those will go away on their own. What do you think about that? All right. So we got it running. Exhaust is in it. It's all put back together. The new starter that we thought that we needed, you know what? The old starter wouldn't do anything, so I think we do need the new starter. So I got to call and see what the warranty on that starter is, because it needs replaced. This is all about a thing. But at least we know that the problem with the old starter, or with this starter in the old motor, was the flywheel and not shimming. So we'll get some ground cables whipped up for between the motor and the chassis, motor and the battery. We'll get the trifecta going: battery to motor, battery to chassis, chassis to motor. We'll get all that Johnny going tomorrow. Get the starter swapped out, put the wheels on it, and go do burnouts. All right, well that's it for us for tonight from Driveline. I'm Matt. He's Corey. We're the hell out of here. See ya.